Welcome to Passionate Learners CNC Programming channel. In this video we will see how to check 3D graph simulation in Mitsubishi controller. Press Edit soft key. Press Check soft key. Press Check Search soft key. Select the device where your program is available. Keep the cursor over the program and press Input. Now the program has been selected. Press right arrow button until you get Work Setting option. Press Work Settings soft key. Enter the workpiece raw material size. Component work offset is at part center. With respect to my work offset, the point 1 reference lies in minus direction. I is x-axis distance from work offset position to point 1. J is y-axis distance from work offset position to point 1. My work offset for z-axis is top face. Mention tool number and decode value for simulation. Set parameter 8920 value as 2. Press Tool Settings soft key. Press Display Details soft key. Type tool number as mentioned in program. Select tool type. Enter the tool diameter value. Press Close. Press Setup soft key. If G41 or G42 mentioned in program, then mention radius value in tool offset screen. Go back to Edit button. Press Check Continue to see 3D simulation. Press Check Reset. Press Work Initialize. Press Type Change twice. Press Check Continue again to see 3D simulation. You can see the 3D simulation is running now. Thank you for watching the video.